Hello everyone, welcome to Code Enzyme, and in this video I am going to discuss this problem: find permutation. You are given an array A of length 2n consisting of exactly two occurrences of each of the integers, and we want to find a permutation P of length n such that I think this is the fourth problem, not the okay. And we want to find an integer P, and we want to find a permutation P of length n such that this condition holds true. So let's first see what it means to actually have this. What the problem is actually trying to say is if I have something like 4, 5, not if I have some permutation like 4, 4, 5, 5, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay. So if you are given an array like this, okay. So my solution, let's say, I mean, there can be many solutions, right? So I can say 1, 2. Okay. Uh, let's take a different array. I think that will be better. Let's take a shorter array. So if my array is something like 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and 1 again. Okay. And we want to find a permutation P such that, let's say, if my permutation is something like 2, 3, and 1. Okay. So for P equals to 2, I want to delete all these elements 3 and 1, right? So I will delete so for I equals to 1, I will delete the occurrence of 3 and 1 from this array. So my A will become 2 and 2, and the distance between them is 0. So this is correct. For I equals to 2, my A will become, I will delete all the occurrences of 1. So my array will become 2, 2, 3, 3, and the distance between these these two threes is 0. So which is less than the length of A by 2. So this is also correct. But for I equals to 3, my array will become I can't delete any element, so my array will simply stay like 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and 1. Okay. Basically something like this. And now if I calculate the distance between these two elements, the length of the distance between these two ones is greater than length of A by 2, right? Because the length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by 2 is 3, and the length and the distance between them is 1, 2, 3, 4, which is greater. So this can't be my answer. Okay. So let's discuss the approach now. So let's say we have some array such that there is some tussle here. Let's say we have 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and 3 again, and then again. So in this, what I observed was if such case occurs, then 3 should come before these 4s and 5, right? So 3 should come before 4 and 5. Rest of it can manage. So if between the two, if I have some number which is at a distance, let's say there are some cases like if I have some array like 1, 2, 1, okay, I mean 2 can come here, but if the distance between two occurrences of the same number is less than 2, less than or equals to 2, then I can print the array however I want. But if I have something like this, so 1, 2, 3, 1, and so on, this still works because the distance is 2, okay. But if I have something like this 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, so my distance is becoming has become more than 2, right? So now I have to make sure that my 1 occurs before these numbers 2 and 3. And I mean, I was thinking about topological sort, so I can make a graph, some directed graph. So 1 will point to 2 and 1 will also point to 3 because 1 has to come before these, right? And then similarly I can do it for all the elements, but this will result in a big O of n square, right? So I can do it using topological sort. So one thing I can do is a very simple approach, that whatever element occurs first, I can simply print them. So the approach is whichever element comes first, just print them and don't repeat it, okay. So let's see the code for this. So we have this function solve, and I'm maintaining a set for the elements that I've already seen. So if I've seen a of I, I won't print it, but if I have not seen a of I, I'm appending it to my answer. Okay, then s dot insert a of I. So the code is actually pretty simple, and I hope you were able to understand this. Um, so I mean, if we are printing it like this, then obviously I'm ensuring that 1 is coming before 2 and 3, right? So that is the optimal answer for this. Now let's move on to the next problem, that is